If you need a QR code in order to share a link, a Wi-Fi password, or website, then I'm going to show you how to create one for free. But before we start with the video, if you're new here, please consider subscribing for more helpful tutorials like this one. You're going to open your web browser on either your PC, laptop, or your mobile phone and then type QR code generator. Scroll a bit down and locate the website, which is called QR-code-generator. I'll make sure to leave a website link in the description of the video so you can open the correct one. We can select a type of QR code which we need. Maybe it's a Wi-Fi code, your social media profile, or whatever you need. I'll add my YouTube channel link as a simple URL, and then find the download option at the right side. Our QR code will download to the computer, and we can start using it right away. Don't forget to hit that like button if this helped you out, and I'll see you soon.